Hello guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So guys, today we are going to show you best kitchen combination designs. So guys, digitally paint your kitchen cabinets with your favorite color in just a few clicks. Upload a picture to find best and perfect combination color for your kitchen. So guys, let's start our video and check best colors for your combination cabinet combination. Darker colors will make the space look smaller, while lighter colors enrich living room area since your cabinets will take up most of the wall space. Many designers recommend choosing this color first, then deciding the rest about it. So guys, this is very best and fantastic designs. So choose a best color for your kitchen and for your cabinets. So guys, let's check other designs and other kitchen colors. So guys, hope you will enjoy our videos. This was our today's video. We'll meet in next video. So kindly subscribe our channel and like our videos for more this kind of videos. So guys, goodbye and good luck. Thanks for watching.